friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making broiled flounder fish. For this easy recipe, we need flounder fillets, lemon slices, butter, and seasonings. I'm using salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to broil, and also here I have a baking sheet lined with foil for easy cleanup. And I need to spray the foil with non-stick cooking spray, or you can brush it with vegetable oil or melted butter, because we want to make sure that the fish doesn't stick to foil. And now I've prepared the baking sheet, so I'm going to put flounder on the baking sheet. Now these fillets are very thin, so I'm just going to season them from one side, but if you use thicker fillets, then season it on both sides. I just don't want to over season it because it's super thin. So let's put them, and I'll sprinkle on the seasonings after that. So now I'm going to sprinkle it with seasonings. So here's salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. And now I'm going to add some butter on top of the fish, and this is again totally optional, so if you want to avoid extra fat, just don't add the butter, totally up to you. I'm just using thin pieces of butter, and they will melt as the fish cooks. Finally, I will top it with lemon slices. And you can also squeeze lemon juice over it as you want, but I find as it cooks, the slices actually release the juice, so that's just whatever is easiest. So now the flounder is ready to be broiled. So let's take it to the oven. So it's preheated and broil. I'm going to put it on the top shelf, and let's broil until it's cooked. Now the fish has been broiling for 8 minutes, and it's ready. Let me take this out. Perfect. So these are super thin, so they were ready in 8 minutes. If you have thicker fillets, it might take about 12 minutes, so you really should keep an eye on it. And if in doubt, you can measure the internal temperature with an instant read thermometer. It should be at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let me remove this from the baking sheet. So just use a spatula. We'll looks so good. Perfect. Look at this delicious broiled flounder. It was so easy to make and it looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. So it's perfectly cooked, flakes so easily with a fork. So tender and so delicious. You will love this broiled flounder. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!